Hi everybody, I hope you are having a nice day. Here we have a Roland MIDI foot controller and I'm controlling Amplitube 4 with it. The audio interface is AXE I. In case you have external pedals, you have to connect them to your audio interface or foot controller. I have an expression pedal and double switch. First, check settings in Amplitube and make sure correct MIDI input is selected. Depending on the controller, you have to choose how the pedals work. I have an XIO, so the controls are in XIO control panel. There's one thing you have to pay attention to. The switches have two modes, latch and momentary, and they work differently. I suggest you try them out and see how they work, and then decide what works for you. You don't have to care about the CC numbers at all at this point. Amplitube has a MIDI learn function, which makes everything much easier. So let's start with program change. This is the place where you change the presets. So if you have to change amp presets, you have to do it here. On the right side below, you'll find a MIDI button, press it. On the left, you see MIDI program change numbers, and the assigned preset is on the right side. When you go there first time, it's empty. Let's pretend the program change 2 is empty. Now click on it, and then from the menu you choose the amp you want to use. As you see, you have to save it first, so press OK. The next one is Control Change CC. You use this one when you need to change something within a preset. For example, changing volume, turn overdrive pedal on and off. So let's say I want to turn a pedal on and off, and add a pedal if it doesn't already have one. Okay, so now I want to turn them on and off. First, click on the switch. Right click to be precise. Assign MIDI, learn MIDI. And press the switch you want to use it with. Now you can see it's controlling the pedal. What if I want to control another pedal with the same switch? Well, you do the exact same thing as you did the first time. And now they are grouped into one switch. If you don't like it, just delete the assignment. Now you can make it work with another switch. Same thing again, right click, learn MIDI, but this time you press the second switch. And now they are working separately. As you can see, the foot controller itself has a switch. So, depending on the MIDI controller, you may have this option in your controller as well. Of course, you can change parameters in the amp as well. Exactly the same way you can control rack effects. Let's add delay in the rack. And I want to turn it on and off. So right click on the power switch and learn MIDI again. So you'd like to control the mix level. Right click as always. But now you press the expression pedal all the way down and all the way up. Expression pedals are often used for wah and volume. And in this example, I'll add a volume pedal. Right-click, Learn MIDI, press the pedal all the way down and all the way up. Remember this.